Afternoon folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I thought to do a little short video up near Chell, an old Paupers graveyard. I don't know a lot of history at all, but I thought I'd just pay a visit. It's over this end somewhere, but it's actually covered in trees. I've actually just spoken to a couple, but like I said, there's not a great deal to see. I will send me drone up and have a quick look. Like I said folks, it's a short one, like it's not a great deal to see. And it is behind here somewhere. There is like a memorial plaque at the top. I will actually film that after. But it's like I said, I was told it's around this end somewhere where all these overgrown trees are. Like I said, I don't know a great deal about this location. Because like I said, this is opposite the old workhouse, and then later it was Westcliffe Hospital. Well, like I said, I don't know a lot of history, but like I said, it says opposite the old Chell Workhouse, Workhouse, sorry, and then it went to the old Westcliffe Hospital. There, apparently, we've just been past there. The old railings, the old fencing's still there as well. But like I said, I think a few hundred have died here. But like I said, I will carry on down this way. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. And this is only like a short sweet video, because like I said, that person did say there was a railing up here somewhere, but I might actually walk down the opposite way, I think. To be honest, I'll walk back the other way. What I'll do, I'll walk around the opposite way, just around the other end, well, the other side kind of thing. I did forget to bring my lock for my bike, so I've got to push it around at the moment. If I had jeans on and Wellingtons, I think I'd just go in there and have a look. But like I said, I've seen other people post on here a couple of videos, but I just wanted to have a look for myself. Like I said folks, I would go down there, to be honest, if I had jeans on or something, if I only got shorts on. Like in my previous video, I got nettled. I've got that top part there, and have a look. Oh, out of breath, folks. Like I said, please leave a your comments. I do appreciate your comments. Like I say, it's around, I think it's just around this part here. Like I said, there's not a great deal to look at. I will actually film the plaque when I go out. The guy did actually say there was a bit of fencing down there, but I couldn't find it, to be honest. Sad, really. All them people gone and forgotten about. Such a shame. As you can tell, it's so peaceful. I will actually ride down just that bit of that bank, so you can it down there as well. But as you can see, I can tell it's all overgrown. Like I said before the video, I don't know any history on this, or just them couple of things. Because up that way, I can remember when the hospital used to be there, and the building before Westcliffe. But I will actually look up the dates when it did close down. I will put it in the description. But I will actually try to get a quick footage of the old fencing as well. But as you can hear, it's so peaceful. Right folks, I will end the tea at the moment, and then what I'll do, I'll catch you in the second half where I can show you the plaque bit, and then I'm going to see if I can actually send my drone up without hitting them wires above. Anyway, I'll speak to you in the next half anyway, and like I said, please like or subscribe or leave a comment. Anyway, I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now. Hi folks, back on the second half. Oh, I'm out of breath. Tell you what, it's nippy even though it's sunny. I have actually got some drone footage of it, a little bit. I'm just going to where the plaque is as well. So I thought, like I said before, I thought I'd do a little video. Where the Paupers grave is. Look at that for a view, a light. Sunset, sorry. I think I'll have to put my jacket on after. Might be sunny but still a bit nippy. Oh God. By the looks of it, the original fencing's still there when the Westcliffe Hospital was still there. I will actually show a bit of it but not too close. It's like, say, a residential home or something, I think. I can actually remember the hospital being here, to be honest.
Head north on Turnhurst Road towards Silverstone Crescent.
Well, there you go, folks. City of Stoke-on-Trent plaque unveiled by the Lord Mayor of Stoke-on-Trent, 6th of October 1992. It says here, it says the former burial grounds of the Woolston Beersley Union Workhouse, rest in peace. Just give me 2 seconds, guys, for this. I have to use my map thing. It just keeps on starting. That's it. 2 seconds. Right, anyway. I'll just cross here 2 seconds. As you can tell by the fencing, I'll just go close to, not too far in though. I'm not recording people's properties, to be honest. I just want to show you the fencing. That's still there.
In a quarter of a mile, you will arrive at your destination.
I bet that's been there for some years, that has. It's been painted, hasn't it? Well, there you go. Anyway, folks, that's the end of my video. Of the old cemetery, even though you couldn't see much. Like I said, I do appreciate your comments, and I don't know if anyone, if you want to leave a comment, if you can remember the hospital being here, because I can remember the hospital being on this road here, exact same spot, Westcliffe Hospital. Like I said, I'll just end it here where this these brick walls are. what, like some kind of post or something. They look quite original as well. They do look very original, they do. And someone's just gone over with a bit of paint. Right guys, anyway folks, boys and girls, just want to thank you for being with me on this video, this new video, even if it's a short one. But like I said, if I think of anywhere else to do it, then I'll eventually do it, but it depends what the weather's going to be like. If it's going to be like this, if it's like this, it's not too bad, but if it's going to go start raining cold, I won't get out as much. To be honest, I was going to do crew this year, but the weather's suddenly changing. Well, that looks original as well. Anyway, please like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please leave a comment. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. If it's not this year, it's going to be next year. Like with the weather changing and everything, it's a bit of a struggle to try and get out a bit as well. I think if I had a car, to be honest, I'd be out all the time. But anyway, I appreciate your comments, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Anyway, love you loads and speak to you soon, and bye for now.